So this question says, what is consumer surplus and how does the consumer surplus change as the equilibrium price of a good rises or falls? So starting with the first one, consumer surplus. Think about it this way. Consumer surplus is the difference between the highest price a consumer is willing to pay and the price they actually pay. So let's say you see a pack of pen and in your mind you feel like the worth of that pen should be $10 and $10 is the maximum price you would ever pay for that pack of pen, and you never pay anything more than $10, and the actual price that you actually pay for the pen is $5. Your consumer surplus will be the difference between it, and that's $5. So the consumer surplus is the difference between the highest price a consumer is willing to pay and the price the consumer actually pays. So now, how does consumer surplus change as the equilibrium price of a good rises or fall? So as the price of a good rises, first of all, the consumer surplus will decrease because if the good, okay, for example, like we said, the highest price you're willing to pay is $10 and the price you actually pay is $5. So that's how much the price costs. So let's say the price of the good increases to $6, you pay $6. So the consumer surplus will now be 10 minus 6, and that's 4. So you can say that as the price of the good increases, the consumer surplus will then decrease. So the consumer surplus decreases, and therefore vice versa, as the price of the good falls, the consumer surplus increases. So that's the answer to the question.